Hey everybody, this is a quick reminder to start preparing or investing in your backup plan, your worst case scenario. It's best to be prepared because you don't know the day nor the hour when you're going to need a LED light or a gas stove or a generator if you have the money to invest in one. Yeah, today is the day. You better start. You better get your Amazon cart and go do your research on what you need in case stuff go left. Because today I woke up and my electricity was off, and because I asked Alexa, I say, Alexa, what time is it? She didn't say anything. I said, oh my goodness, is this Leave the World Behind Part 2? And I'm not ready for that. I'm not prepared for a worst case scenario. And I believe a lot of people just don't prepare for those kind of things. But all BS aside, today is the day you need to start thinking about that and considering that. Like, are you prepared for, like, if you don't have electricity, how you going to charge your phone up? You're not going to be able to use Wi-Fi. You're not going to be able to, you need a radio that can provide you with the news, information, updates, and all of that, because we don't know the day nor the hour when, tragedy is going to strike. And at this point in 2024, we don't know what the future may hold, since everything is just the moon went in front of the sun. There's been an earthquake in New York City. That boat ran into that bridge. Like, then AT&T was out a couple of months ago. Didn't nobody have no cell phone service. Facebook shut down. Like, in all honesty, is not being overly concerned. Or I was gonna even invest in that Patriot, that 3-month emergency food that will last for 25 years. I'm gonna actually invest in that, at least a 3-month supply of emergency food. So, because if something happens, it's best to be prepared and not be looking for what to do, because everybody's gonna go panic and be like, oh my goodness. Like, I actually been in a situation where when I was in St. Louis, Missouri, it was a winter storm. Like in Houston, they had that freeze and electricity was out for, I guess, days or weeks, so I don't know. But people don't prepare for those kind of things, and then that's when it's more hectic than it really needs to be. So this is just a quick reminder to let you all know, get y'all stuff together. Like, start investing in a backup plan, because you never know. Bye.